to rejoice in the Lord. This means that the source of joy is not the absence of trials, my friends. The source of joy is the presence of Christ. I'm going to say that again. The source of joy is not the absence of trials. A lot of times we think, I'll be happy when nothing bad is happening. That's not the source of joy. The source of joy is the presence of Christ, and many times the presence of Christ in the midst of trials. It's still our source of joy. In fact, if you went back to the Old Testament book of Nehemiah, you will find that joy is something that God provides, and it's something that God sustains. In Nehemiah chapter 8, look at verse 10. Then he said to them, "Go, eat rich food, drink sweet drinks, and send portions to those who can't provide for themselves. For today is consecrated to our Lord. Don't be sad, because the joy of the Lord is your strength." My friends, when joy is rooted in God, when it finds its grounding, its rooting, its source in God, it becomes stable even when circumstances are not.